Costa Rica beckons with its promise of adventure and tranquility. Amidst its lush landscapes lies La Cruz, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Nestled on the country's northwestern coast, La Cruz offers a unique blend of thrilling activities and serene escapes. Whether you seek adrenaline-pumping kite surfing or peaceful moments by pristine beaches, La Cruz has something for everyone. This charming town, with its vibrant culture and breathtaking scenery, promises an unforgettable Costa Rican experience. La Cruz is a place where time seems to slow down. The town embraces a slower pace of life, inviting you to unwind and embrace the Pura Vida spirit. Colorful houses line the streets, their vibrant hues reflecting the warmth of the locals. The air is filled with the scent of tropical flowers and the sound of waves crashing against the shore. As you stroll through the town, you'll feel a sense of peace wash over you. La Cruz is a place to escape the ordinary and reconnect with nature's beauty. At the heart of La Cruz lies a charming town square, a hub of local life and activity. Here, you'll find a picturesque park shaded by towering trees, offering a welcome respite from the tropical sun. Locals gather on benches, sharing stories and laughter, while children chase pigeons across the cobblestone paths. The square is also home to a beautiful church, its whitewashed facade a stark contrast against the clear blue sky. The church bells chime melodiously, their sound echoing through the peaceful surroundings. Just a stone's throw from La Cruz lies Bahia Salinas, a kite surfer's paradise. This expansive bay boasts strong, consistent winds, making it a world-renowned destination for this thrilling sport. The turquoise waters sparkle under the golden sun, creating an idyllic backdrop for colorful kites dancing across the sky. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious beginner, Bahia Salinas offers the perfect conditions to learn and enjoy kite surfing. Numerous schools and rental shops cater to all levels, ensuring an unforgettable experience on the water. While kitesurfing might be Bahia Salinas' claim to fame, its beauty extends far beyond the waves. The bay is fringed by pristine beaches, perfect for soaking up the sun or taking a refreshing dip in the ocean. Palm trees sway gently in the breeze, casting dappled shadows on the soft, white sand. The calm, clear waters are ideal for swimming, snorkeling, or simply floating and enjoying the tranquility of your surroundings. As the day progresses, the setting sun paints the sky in vibrant hues, casting a magical glow over the entire bay. No trip to La Cruz is complete without experiencing the local culture. The town boasts a variety of charming restaurants and cafes, each offering a unique taste of Costa Rican cuisine. Sample fresh seafood dishes bursting with flavor and prepared with local ingredients. Indulge in traditional dishes like gallo pinto, a flavorful rice and beans dish, or savor the sweetness of plantains in a variety of delectable forms. As you dine, enjoy the warm hospitality of the locals. Their smiles as bright as the tropical flowers adorning the tables. Just a short drive from La Cruz lies the magnificent Santa Rosa National Park, a must-visit for nature enthusiasts. This expansive park protects a diverse range of ecosystems, from dry forests to pristine beaches. Hike through lush trails, home to an abundance of wildlife, including monkeys, sloths, and exotic birds. Discover hidden waterfalls cascading into crystal-clear pools, perfect for a refreshing dip. Santa Rosa National Park offers a glimpse into Costa Rica's incredible biodiversity and a chance to connect with nature on a deeper level. As the day draws to a close, make your way to Playa Rajada, a secluded beach just north of La Cruz. This idyllic spot offers front row seats to one of Costa Rica's most breathtaking sunsets. As the sun begins its descent, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors. Fiery oranges and deep reds blend seamlessly with soft pinks and purples, casting a magical glow over the ocean. The sound of waves crashing against the shore provides the perfect soundtrack to this unforgettable spectacle. La Cruz is a destination that effortlessly blends tranquility and adventure. Nestled in the northwestern corner of Costa Rica, this hidden gem offers a unique blend of serene landscapes and thrilling activities. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently lapping against the shore, the sun rising over the horizon, casting a golden glow on the pristine beaches. This is La Cruz, where every day begins with a promise of new experiences and unforgettable memories. Whether you seek adrenaline-pumping activities or moments of peaceful reflection, La Cruz has something to offer every traveler. For the adventure enthusiast, the options are endless. From zip-lining through lush canopies to diving into the crystal clear waters. For snorkeling adventure, the thrill of discovery is always around the corner. Imagine the rush of wind against your face as you soar above the treetops, the vibrant colors of the underwater world unfolding before your eyes. But La Cruz is not just for the thrill seekers, it is also a haven for those who crave peace and tranquility. Picture yourself sitting on a secluded beach, the only sound being the gentle rustle of palm leaves and the distant call of exotic birds. Here you can find your own little slice of paradise, a place to unwind and reconnect with nature. Explore the hidden gem of Bahia Salinas, where kite surfing dreams take flight. This stunning bay, with its steady winds and calm waters, is a kite surfer's paradise. Imagine the exhilaration of gliding across the water, the wind propelling you forward, the sun shining down on you. The bay is not just for kite surfers, though. Its beauty can be appreciated from above as well. Take a moment to enjoy an aerial view of Bahia Salinas, where the turquoise waters meet the lush green landscape, creating a breathtaking panorama that will leave you in awe. Wander through the charming town square, immersing yourself in local life. The heart of La Cruz beats in its vibrant town square, where locals and visitors alike gather to enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Picture yourself strolling through the square, the air filled with the sounds of laughter and music, the aroma of delicious local cuisine wafting through the air. Here, you can experience the true essence of Costa Rican culture. Engage in friendly conversations with the locals, sample traditional dishes, and perhaps even join in a lively dance. The town square is a place where memories are made, where the spirit of community and togetherness is palpable. Venture into the depths of Santa Rosa National Park, discovering Costa Rica's natural wonders. This vast park is a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to a wide array of flora and fauna. Imagine trekking through dense forests, the air alive with the sounds of wildlife, spotting a howler monkey swinging through the trees, a colorful toucan perched on a branch, or a shy white-tailed deer grazing in a clearing. The park is a haven for nature lovers, offering countless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Whether you are an avid hiker or a casual observer, Santa Rosa National Park promises an unforgettable adventure. And as the day ends, witness the breathtaking beauty of a sunset over Playa Rajada. This secluded beach is the perfect place to end your day, with the sky painted in hues of orange pink and purple as the sun dips below the horizon. Picture yourself sitting on the soft sand, the gentle waves lapping at your feet, the sky ablaze with color. It is a moment of pure magic, a reminder of the beauty and tranquility that La Cruz has to offer. As the sun sets, the stars begin to twinkle in the night sky, creating a serene and peaceful atmosphere that is perfect for reflection and relaxation. La Cruz invites you to escape the ordinary and embrace the pura vida spirit in its purest form. This phrase, which translates to pure life, is more than just a saying in Costa Rica. It is a way of life, a philosophy that emphasizes living in the moment, appreciating the simple pleasures, and finding joy in everyday experiences. In La Cruz, you can truly embrace the spirit. Whether you are exploring the natural wonders, engaging with the local community, or simply relaxing on the beach, you will find that every moment is an opportunity to experience the Pura Vida lifestyle. So come, let La Cruz be your escape, your sanctuary, your home away from home. Your Costa Rican adventure awaits. Let me also take a moment to tell you about one of my favorite accommodations in La Cruz. Hotel Punta de Carte in La Cruz, Costa Rica, is a unique and charming accommodation option. Housed in a 70-year-old family home, it offers a rustic ambiance filled with art and antiques. The hotel features comfortable rooms, a restaurant serving authentic Costa Rican cuisine, and a tranquil garden. Imagine waking up in a room adorned with local art, each piece telling a story of Costa Rican heritage. The gentle hum of the town outside and the inviting aroma of freshly brewed coffee from the hotel's restaurant greet you each morning. The restaurant serves dishes that capture the essence of Costa Rican flavors, providing a true culinary delight. Step outside and find yourself in the heart of La Cruz with easy access to local attractions and activities. Spend your day exploring the vibrant town square, engaging with locals, and immersing yourself in the culture. As the day winds down, retreat to the hotel's serene garden, a perfect place to reflect on the day's adventures under the shade of lush greenery. Whether you're seeking a cultural experience or a peaceful retreat, Hotel Punta de Carte promises a memorable stay. It's more than just a place to rest, it's a sanctuary where you can truly feel at home. Let this charming hotel be your base as you uncover the wonders of La Cruz. Your Costa Rican adventure awaits, and Hotel Punta de Carte is ready to welcome you with open arms. As our journey through La Cruz comes to an end, we hope you felt the magic of this hidden gem in Costa Rica. From the thrilling kite surfing adventures to the serene sunsets, La Cruz offers a blend of excitement and tranquility that's hard to find elsewhere. Remember, it's not just the picturesque landscapes or the vibrant local culture that makes this place special. It's the feeling of connection, the sense of belonging, and the unforgettable memories you create here. Whether you're planning your next getaway or reminiscing about past travels, let La Cruz be a reminder that there are still places in the world where you can truly escape, rejuvenate, and find your own slice of paradise. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Until next time, Pura Vida.
Travel far and wide, let's take flight. See the world's wonders, day and night. From sandy beaches to mountain peaks, every adventure, a memory we keep.